seen you staring at my girlfriend over there.
What are you talking about? Your girlfriend?
Yeah, my girlfriend. You were staring at my girlfriend over there.
The only thing I'm looking at over there is artwork, so I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying. I think you're blind. I'm looking at artwork.
You think I'm blind,
I'm
huh?
just saying.
You think I'm blind?
Just saying,
okay,
buddy.
I'm
Yeah.
blind. The look away sucker punch. How many of us have experienced this? How many of us have seen this used successfully? In this video, I'm going to show you how not to get caught by that look away sucker punch. All right. Anytime you're in a heated discussion and someone looks away, there is a good chance they're going to use this particular distraction. What's taking place as they're using this distraction is as they turn away, they're loading up their back leg so they can use all their power with that rear hand, whether it be a straight rear, a rear hook, a rear overhand, something like that's coming. So, how to avoid this? First, if you're in the heated discussion and your opponent looks away, you need to pay attention to their chest and shoulders as these telegraph movement. So, as John turns away, he's loading up his back leg. I need to be in a balanced stance, not with my feet side by side, so if I get hit, I'm going to get knocked over. You need to be in a balanced stance, okay? Your fighting stance, but your hands have to be up, not closed like you're sparring. This is not a sparring match. This is survival. My hands are up and open. As I seen him turn away, I am ready to react if I have to. Now, if he goes to strike, that's when I have to use my eye jab interception. Now, I could use my lead leg, but you have to use what you know is going to be successful. I could kick him in the groin as an interception, but I may not get the reaction I'm looking for. I may not get any reaction at all if he's got a lot of alcohol in his system. So I want to use that eye jab. So he turns and looks away. I'm reading his shoulders. I intercept. Boom! There's my interception. Now, if that's enough, good. I'm going to get out of there. But what if I eye jab and I miss and I hit the forehead and he goes to grab me? I'm on the inside. I want to be in the 10-2 position. I'm in the perfect position now to headbutt, knee him in the groin, drag him down to the ground, or pull his hoodie over his head and knee him in the face, and then leave.